Gotta be the ball joints. So let's try this again. I replaced the ball joints. Maybe it just need a little grease. Got a grease gun. Gonna see if this thing gonna work. Hopefully that should do it. But you know, like I said, I just recently replaced the lower ball joints. And let's check it out. So after a few pumps with the grease, no more squeaking noise. So what I did was put some on the top and on the bottom.